In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install brushes in Clip Studio Paint. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring new brushes into your workspace with a quick drag and drop and how to confirm they're ready to use. First, make sure you've downloaded the brush file you want to use. Most Clip Studio Paint brushes come as .sut files, and you might also see .tpl files from some creators. Save the file somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated brushes folder. If the file arrived in a compressed archive, unzip it so you can see the actual .sut or .tpl file. It's a good idea to download from trusted sources and keep your files organized, especially if you plan to build a large brush library. Next, open Clip Studio Paint and let it load fully. We'll be working with the subtool palette. This is the panel that lists your specific tools and brushes within each tool category. If you don't immediately see it, it's usually docked near your tool palette on the left or as a panel on the right, depending on your layout. You can rearrange panels later to suit your workflow, but for now, make sure the subtool palette is visible so you have a place to drop the new file. Now locate the brush file in your File Explorer or Finder. Click and drag that .sut or TPL file directly into the subtool palette area. Aim to drop it onto the list of subtools, not onto the canvas or into the tool property panel. If you already have a specific tool category selected, the brush will be added there. Otherwise, Clip Studio Paint will place it where it makes the most sense based on the file's type. When you release the file, the new brush should appear in the list almost immediately. Look for it by name. Many creators label their brushes clearly. To test it, open a canvas and start drawing. If the stroke appears too small or too large, adjust the size and other settings in the tool property panel. If you see an error message, double check that the file is a valid .sut or .tpl and that it wasn't damaged during download. Updating Clip Studio Paint can also help if you're working with very new brush formats. That's it, you've installed your brush with a simple drag and drop, and it's now part of your toolkit. Keep your downloaded files somewhere safe so you can reuse them on other devices and enjoy exploring your new brush in your artwork.